eggplants.
Yay, we're harvesting eggplants. Yay!
So happy. Cucinare,
Go,
dai.
yay!
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go to cook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Mirco, baby Bella and the mommy behind the camera.
Hello.
It's a cloudy day today and it's actually our first day of cloudy day here in... Say, what we are doing, she love to go on my shoulder, right?
Yeah.
Today is a cloudy day, so mommy is going to prepare Pinakbet, right?
Yep.
And it's also our first day of cloudy day here in our house with the solar panel. So we are here at home monitoring the situation and what we can do. But first, I need to pass by the palenque. We need to buy food. Right, baby Bella? Let's go. Papi will go. Say,
Papi will be the
ciao,
one to go.
ciao everyone. See you
Look
later.
at Min Min. Oh, look at Min Min. Yeah,
Where is
sure.
Min? Where is Min?
See? See?
Wow.
Min Min is so fat na.
Baby Bella really up. Okay, let's go, let's run.
Come back. Oh my God, our bougainvilleas are flowering. Oh my God, I love the flowers. The flowers are everywhere. Almost every plant na. Nakakatuwa po. My God, so nice, so nice. Yes. And our most beautiful flower. Oy, she's
Look
getting
at Bella. Anyway, there is no connection to the electricity. It's
Yeah,
just
it's
cable.
unplugged. Yeah.
Right, baby Bella, let's go. That's not a toya. Yun guys, we arrived dito sa palengke. It's now time to buy vegetables and fruits. For Pinakbet, we need the squash. We are missing actually the squash at home. That's why mommy told me to come here in the palengke and buy some things. Let's go now. Sige ito kuya. Okay, babalik sa bahay. We are back at home. Let's close the gate. We have also a rooster. Tingnan nyo. Actually, is laying egg just at the back of the salon. Anyway, here we have our stuff. Now, let's prepare food. Sobrang gutom na. It's lunchtime. Actually, in the rooster yan is hen because the one that laying the egg is a female. But kalimutan sometimes in English. But tingnan nyo, he's making this all and she's always stay here. Baka we will have eggs soon. And here there is Miming sleeping. Tingnan nyo. Yun. Ang cute ni Miming. Oh, he's not getting awake, huh? Hey, did you enjoy the last night? Huh? Sige. Actually, baby Bella is now sleeping, so we wait mama and we'll start to cook. The garden is sobrang ganda now. Tingnan nyo, it's really full of flower everywhere. Mom is really right, and I will show you. We have also isang banana that is putting out the flower. Yes, tingnan nyo doon. Is actually our favorite pink banana. Yun. And here we have all the beautiful heliconia yellow that are coming out. Ito ang red banana nito. Ito will become sobrang laki actually. Will probably reach even 4 meter high, even more actually. Okay, I'm so happy. And I want to show you also. Look at this side. There are sobrang daming heliconia red here. Look, isa and doon. Also here, really nice. Also here, the heliconia yellow. You know, it's has been past now almost 2 months from the typhoon, Actually, just tomorrow is my birthday. I will be 31, and the garden is recovering really amazingly. I mean, I'm really impressed, and it's really now beautiful, and all the flower. Tingnan nyo, ito is really maganda. These heliconia are really beautiful and are not really common here in Palawan. Also here, tingnan nyo, we thought this plant was going to die, or we was not sure anyway if it was going to survive after the typhoon, but now is putting out again leaves. Really nice. Ito is a calachuchi, if I'm not mistaken. And here, tingnan nyo, we have the bajan, the variegated bajan that is now growing, and it's so nice. This one will be malake like the others, will be with the variegation, really maganda. And here, of course, tingnan nyo, all the calathea that we planted that was really maliit and now are really malaki. Nice. Bella, are we ready to prepare food? Yes, you have here un pomodoro, un'arancia, vero? And here is our palayok. Tingnan nyo guys. Here is all the food. We have pork, shrimps, we have found the squash, sitaw, and much more. We found also bananas for baby Bella. Right, baby? You will eat bananas, no? Oui, yes, I agree with you. And here is the orange. Brava. I think baby Bella is left-handed. Tingnan nyo, she's holding everything things with the left. Ah, Bella? Are you playing these things? The minging? Brava!
So today we're going to cook pinakbet sa Palayok. Yay!
Yay! Mommy is ready finally with the baby Bella that is trying to be a musician today.
Yes.
Right?
With her xylophone.
Yes.
And matagal-tagal rin po. We haven't cooked in the Palayok for quite some time.
Oh.
But today we're gonna try to cook pinakbet.
She's eating the knitter.
Yeah, with pork and shrimp. So pinakbet is a Filipino dish, vegetable dish. Usually pork lang siya. But we're gonna combine the pork and the shrimp. And we're also going to use shrimp paste. Ito po yung particular with this dish is that it's vegetables with shrimp paste. And Mirco actually doesn't like vegetables, right? Baby?
Yeah, so I will try.
Yeah.
Let's see if I will like. Baby Bella, are you already
You also
complaining?
wanna cook? You wanna cook? She wants to play with Mama's hair.
No, because the spoon is fell. She cannot play the styrofoam. Yan. Very good, very good.
Yeah. If I do my hair like this, she wants to get it. So we're gonna use squash, kalabasa, sitaw, or beans. Okay, let me put all of the ingredients here. Okay, so we will wash them. Ampalaya, one ampalaya. I'm also gonna use ginger. I'm gonna add ginger. Kamatis, at least 3 pieces of kamatis or 2. It's fine. And Baba, you need to get the eggplants from our garden.
Okay,
You need to harvest the eggplants.
very good.
That's of course our garlic and our onion. And then yun na, just these ingredients. And then we're gonna start chopping them. I'm just gonna wash this. What did you throw, anak? You threw the kamatis.
Andiamo a prendere le melanzane, dai. Andiamo.
Hey, we're gonna harvest the
Eggplant.
vegetables na.
Oh.
Si Bella
Let's go.
mag-harvest.
Andiamo.
Yay! Wow!
Slowly.
Very good! Anak, you're wearing the shoes from Tita Minmin.
Oh.
Yes.
Ganda. Okay.
Yeah. Careful.
We're almost arrived. Siamo arrivati, guarda, guarda, è lì. Andiamo, andiamo.
Our kamote tops. Okay, eto na. Ayun ating eggplants. We have 2 eggplants here and I think there's one more here.
Yes, there are many actually. Bella. Guarda qua, dobbiamo prendere questo, prendilo. Opla! Tira, tira. Forte, forte. Prendilo così. Ok, 1, 2, 3.
Get the eggplant!
Opla!
Yay!
Wow!
We have an eggplant!
Also here.
One
1,
more eggplant.
2, 3. Wow!
Yay! Very good. Vegetables
two
for
eggplants.
today. We're harvesting
Yay!
eggplants. Yay!
So happy. Okay.
Another
let's
one
see
here,
if
over
there are
here.
More. There is another one here. Yeah. We take this, Bella, also. Yes. Opla.
Yay!
3. Can you hold 3?
Yeah,
Ne
that's
puoi tenere 3 in mano o sono troppe? La tiene il papà questo, ok? Andiamo a cucinare, dai.
Yay!
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go to cook. Cuciniamo,
cook.
cuciniamo.
I have a background music here.
Yes. The melody of Baby Bella. Look at this. It's so busy to play. And now you need to cut everything, right?
Yeah, so let's start first with the squash. This is a bit hard. Okay. Next, we're gonna slice our ampalaya. Next, we're going to cut our eggplant.
Yes. Baby Bella is too busy with Moana.
It's fine.
Her favorite
She's
cartoon.
her Disney character na she
Uh-uh.
really looks up to. Moana is the wayfinder, right? Not a princess, but a wayfinder. And she saves her people in the island. Our eggplants in the garden are so firm. But I think they're okay. I think they're okay for eating na. Kasi last time, when we did the sinigang, they're also crispy. So next, we're gonna cut our string beans.
Baby Bella is looking at it.
We're gonna slice our tomatoes.
Kamatis.
Kamatis. Look at that. So juicy. Now we're gonna cut our ginger. I love ginger. One more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, more.
It's funny for her. I don't know why. Here we go. We're going to use our Palayok.
Alright.
Like the old times.
What the old times?
Parang,
Parang kailan lang.
parang we're matanda, no? I'm just turning 31 tomorrow.
I'm gonna put oil. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
We can hear that the oil is already, making sound like that.
Oh, tingnan nyo. Boiling na boiling.
So we will put our pork first. Fry muna natin yung pork. I already put salt in the pork. Bella, my love. waiting for our pork to fry, to cook, I'm gonna show you our alamang. This is the alamang that we're gonna use.
Yun, the
For
favorite
the
of
shrimp
Papa.
paste. Oo. It's made of small shrimp na niluto. Ayan.
And smells so good, no?
I like it with manga, with the hilaw na manga, with the green mango. It's so good. Anyways, we're gonna use this, and then I'm gonna go back there and saute the pork, the shrimp, the garlic, and the onion.
Okay, sleeping time for Baby Bella. Here the pork is ready. Let's put our shrimp. Now we need to wait that they will turn orange, and then we'll put all the vegetables. Fake alarm, Baby Bella is still awake. He's here with me, Mommy's here. We need to finish to cook.
Alright,
It's almost ready actually. Tingnan nyo guys. Ganda ang color. And smells so good, no?
Yeah, the shrimp is okay. So we're gonna put our garlic. We're gonna saute our garlic. Kaya lang parang nagkaroon siya ng konting sabaw. So let's just keep the pot open so the water will evaporate. But anyways, may sabaw naman talaga na konti yung gusto ko na pinakbet. Okay. So we're also gonna put our onions. You can really smell the shrimps. Ang bango.
Baby Bella, are you also smelling the shrimps? She was looking behind the camera, like looking like this. What is this? What? Like really curious. What is this? Huh?
Then we will put our ginger.
Ginger.
Pampabango din to.
Look at that. she's really trying to check whether. What is this? What is this? What is that?
Next is our tomatoes. Look at the face of Bella. It's so big, guys. Sobrang big ng mata ni Bella. Right, babe?
Nice.
Diba? Ang bango. Iba talaga pag Palayok. Ang bango. Kasi nagluluto ako ng pinakbet dati. Hindi mo ganito. Hindi ganito ang amoy. So we let the tomatoes, the garlic simmer for a few minutes. So ito na po siya. Grabe, ang bango-bango.
Sarap.
Wow! This is vegetables, ha?
Yeah.
We're gonna
I don't think I will be so excited later on.
we're gonna put our alamang. Let's just mix. Pero ang bango, kahit after may lagyan ng alamang, ang bango. Diba? Ang alamang kasi usually, or, kasi there's alamang is like shrimp paste. Some people don't like the smell, like Mirco doesn't like the smell of shrimp paste. But this time, it's not so pungent for you, right?
Yeah.
I think.
Oh, yun now.
Now you smell.
Now you can smell.
Pero sa akin, masarap siya. So now naman, we are gonna start putting our vegetables. We're gonna start with the squash.
Very good.
So yung pinakamatigas muna. The hard ones first. Look at that color, oh my god. Ang palaya. So our eggplants are also inside. We put our eggplants. So our last vegetable would be the sitaw. So So let's just wait for this to simmer. Last, we're gonna put our sitaw, our string beans.
Very good.
Bella is looking at me so with big eyes.
Yes. And all the family is here. Tingnan niyo, there is also Mimio sleeping. Beautiful life. Right? And here we go. So our Pinakbet is here. Tingnan nyo, mommy is here and baby Bella is already eating. What are you eating, baby?
She always eats first.
Oh. And now she's eating the spring roll with pork.
Sobrang magana na siyang kumain ngayon.
Oh, it's becoming really hungry baby. Diba, baby? And I saw one big teeth in this side. I was playing with her and she showed me. Yes. Brava, baby! So we have here also spring roll lumpia.
Yeah.
And mommy,
Ako gutom na.
it's your turn.
Filipino power rice.
Oh.
Yes. Let's eat. Kain na po tayo. Si Bella, yun nga lang, hindi pa nakain ng rice si Bella.
Oo.
Pasta lang.
Pasta na lang.
Pasta, bread, biscuits, chocolate, potatoes. She likes what's it called? The one that you cook for her, the potatoes that you cook for her.
Di patate arrosto.
Yeah. So ito po ang ating pinakbet. Ayan.
Sarap.
Yan, nakailang na ako. Ilang salok. Namiss ko to. We haven't been cooking this for quite some time.
Oo. It's quite long. Okay, baby Bella doesn't want to sit anymore. You want rice? You wanna try rice?
Wanna try rice, anak?
Oh, very good.
Very good.
Okay, thank you so much for watching us, guys. Another beautiful day here in the province, in the Philippines. Pinakbet for today. Tomorrow is my birthday. We will see what to do.
Happy birthday.
Let's hope that there will be sun. At least maybe we can go out of here. Right, baby Bella? Say ciao everyone. See you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao. Ciao, ciao. With the spoon. Ciao, ciao with the spoon.
Ciao, ciao. Say ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao.
Ciao, ciao with a spoon.